Alright, so we got this last night at the Built event. This is like a duffel bag, and this is the brand Herschel, I guess. And it says Built on it. We haven't opened it yet, so Cody and I are going to see what is inside right now. Maybe.
Oh, that's hard to open.
Okay, so what do we have here?
It is a Built beanie. Yeah.
Cool.
And it's like a Nike beanie.
Nice. What else? Let's see. Oh my gosh.
It's a Built blanket.
A Built blanket?
Yeah.
That is a Sherpa blanket and it's blue. You're not going to steal my blanket, are you?
Yeah.
No way.
I am.
There's like a little zipper compartment here. I wonder if it's like a hidden compartment.
What?
It is. It's like a little secret compartment. How deep does it go? Like the whole blanket or just... Wow.
Yeah, the whole blanket.
That's so cool. You could pack stuff for an overnight trip in there. Your pajamas.
I could pack myself in here.
No, you are not packing yourself in there, you weirdo. Gosh, I just keep finding out more stuff. Check this out. The blanket is made of recycled stuff. Look at that, Cody.
That's so cool.
It says, once upon a time I was a bottle, but I came back to keep you warm. That is so cool. The best part of me is made from post-consumer plastic. See, so all that water we drank helped make that blanket. I knew drinking the water was a good idea.
Wow.
Wow. That filled the bag.
What's this? Oh, it's a strap.
A strap. Nice. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, this line. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh. What is it? Oh my gosh. Is it coconut brownie chunk?
Yep.
Ah, it's my favorite bar. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Dreams really do come true.